We know that as we gracefully age, our hair may become a tad thinner, but guess what? You can still create some gorgeous, ultra-stylish looks. In this article, we've gathered 30 short haircuts for older women with fine hair that radiate timeless elegance. Let's dive into these chic short hairstyles that will have you feeling confidently beautiful. 1. Short haircut with gray blending. Long piecewise layers and dimensional color are a splendid solution for mature women with thin hair. Silver highlights seamlessly blend the gray strands while the shadow roots provide deepness and enhance the texture and transitions in this short haircut. 2. Carefree side-swept bob haircut. A nonchalantly side-swept bob for older women, especially those with fine hair, is an ideal choice. This happy-go-lucky creation of Nova Art Salon effortlessly enhances the natural beauty, adds volume, and lends a youthful flair. 3. Long pixie with lowlights. A long gray pixie with lowlights is a smart pick for fine, straight hair. These lowlights give the illusion of thick hair, adding a touch of warmth to your complexion. 4. Blonde pixie with side-swept bangs. This style by Las Vegas hairstylist Anna Pemberton features a gorgeous blonde hair color, with the bangs gracefully sweeping to one side. This cute pixie haircut is a chic choice for short haircuts for women with thin hair. 5. Short layered shag. A shaggy short hairstyle for older women with thin hair adds volume and texture, disguising the appearance of thinness. We added more face-framing textured layering to create this cute piecewise haircut, explains Allison Jarvis, the hairstylist, educator, and creator of this adorable fluffy short haircut. 6. Bold layered pixie cut. Pixie cuts for older women with longer face-framing layers offer a touch of elegance and versatility. Hair specialist Miriam used them to soften facial features and add dimension. They can be styled in various ways, giving you a chic look that's easy to maintain. 7. Rounded short bob for curly hair. Cutting thin curly hair short is a real game changer. It helps to manage the curls, reducing bulk, giving your locks a more controlled and voluminous appearance, and creating a distinct hairstyle shape. 8. Angled pixie bob. If you are looking for chic haircuts for older women, consider a feminine, angled pixie bob. This style by color specialist Aubrey Fox from She Salon showcases gorgeous gray hair enhanced with a soft lavender tint, making it a great take on short hairstyles for older women. 9. Short blonde crop for fine hair. A short crop is perfect for fine hair. This textured cut by Tucson hairstylist from Hair Heaven Salon features choppy layers that add visual volume to the locks, creating a stylish and easy-to-manage hairstyle. 10. Pixie bob for curly hair. A pixie bob suits older women with curly silver hair beautifully. Its short length is easy to maintain, and the curly texture adds youthful charm. Durley Silva, the creator behind this look, believes it's a great option for leaving your hair natural in both color and texture. 11. Feathered bob for fine hair. Hair artist Patrizia DeSardo fulfilled their client's desire for lightness and practicality with multiple feathered layers on this adorable layered bob cut. These soft layers reduce bulk, making the hair feel weightless, and the feathered ends make styling a breeze. 12. Gray pixie with elongated bangs. Brazilian cutting specialist Rodrigo Siqueira included long side-swept bangs in a shortcut for a reason. They elongate the face, drawing attention to your eyes and cheekbones. This creates a flattering, balanced look with a stylish flair. 13. Short pixie for silver hair. For fine straight hair, the best haircut is a sleek and minimalistic short crop, like this style by Italian hairstylist Vito Setolino. It accentuates the beauty of silver hair, creating a tasteful look that's easy to manage. 14. Edgy messy pixie with undercut. Clip sides and back add an edgy and modern twist to pixie cuts for fine hair. It enhances the allure of the short hairstyle and creates a bold and confident look for older ladies. 15. Silver Bixie for wavy hair. Carol Pashak, the master stylist at Propaganda Hair Group, expertly styled this naturally wavy hair to give it a refined look. To achieve the same result, be sure to use a curl enhancer and a hairspray. This helps set and shape the curls for a polished and controlled finish. 16. Short hair with an undercut. Colorists frequently choose blonde highlights and hairstyles for fine hair to add depth and dimension. In this short hairstyle from Belgian Different Hair and Beauty Salon, the blonde hues create contrast, giving the appearance of thick hair. A disconnected undercut makes this style edgy and youthful. 17. Elegant white pixie haircut. The stark contrast of white hair against a well-structured pixie emphasizes clean lines, highlighting your facial features. Style the longer textured layers and bangs with a volume mouse and a blow dryer for added fullness. 18. Short wedge cut. A chin-length wedge with a tapered nape complements a round face shape beautifully and adds sharpness to the jawline. Pair it with long, wispy bangs for a stylish framing effect. 19. Long shaggy pixie. Gray hair needs a lot of care, weekly hydration, use of specific shampoo, and of course a modern cut so that the look doesn't become outdated. Brazilian hair artist Diego MRC Sand shares his expertise. A disconnected short haircut with textured bangs gives that extra touch of femininity. 20. Razor cut layered bob for wavy hair. Shapeshifting and releasing curls make this haircut perfect for low-maintenance air drying. Razor and craft haircutting specialist Catherine Work from Pasha Salon prides herself in this beautiful creation. 21. Textured pixie haircut. Textured layers in short haircuts for women over 50 with fine hair create volume, depth, and movement. They breathe life into your locks, making your hair appear thicker and adding a trendy vibe to your overall look. 22. Classic blonde bob with thin bangs. A classic short bob, like the one crafted in Adelaide Hair Salon, is one of the most favored hairstyles for women. It features naturally straight hair and delicate thin bangs, with the blonde hue adding a touch of timeless grace. 23. Messy blonde bob with highlights. Blonde highlights infuse a messy bob with irresistible charm. They playfully accentuate hair texture, making it a perfect choice for fine hair. This style by Hiro Ochai gives off a laid-back yet stylish vibe. 24. Short stacked bob in cinnamon brown hue. A bold hair color, like this cinnamon brown by stylist Alex Paixão, works wonders on a short bob for older women. It not only adds vibrancy to short hairstyles but also creates the illusion of thicker hair, enhancing volume and radiance. 25. Rounded bob for curly thin hair. This rounded bob haircut by the Italian stylist Salon is a great choice for women with thin curly hair. When styled with highlights and a messy finish, it can add volume, shape, and bounce to your locks. 26. Choppy blonde pixie haircut. The appeal of a short choppy pixie cut for older women is its modern and youthful vibe. It's a refreshing take on short haircuts, with piece-wide layers adding texture, depth, and a touch of playfulness to the overall look. 27. Spiky pixie with highlights and lowlights. Who said highlights and lowlights are only for thick hair? They work magic on short fine hair too. They create visual interest, making short pixie cuts appear fuller, textured, and incredibly stylish. 28. White pixie on relaxed hair. For older women with fine hair, a very short pixie haircut with short rounded layers is an excellent choice. It's super low maintenance and can be styled in just a few minutes. 29. Salt and pepper inverted bob. A salt and pepper inverted bob is one of the favorite short hairstyles for women over 50. This sleek chin-length bob does some great face framing and beautifully blends shades of black and white, creating a chic and sophisticated hair color combination. 30. Textured gray pixie cut. Gray hair gets a stylish update with this super cute short crop from a master stylist at Mochini Salon in Atlanta, Georgia. Simply use your fingers to create a spiky pixie texture and finish with a light hold hairspray for a polished look.